Apple's big hardware event for 2019 has wrapped, and, as expected, it brought a bounty of exciting announcements. Of course, the iPhone 11 happened, and, yes, a version is really called the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but there were a bunch of other good moments that are worth talking about. If you weren't able to follow along with this year's Apple Fall Hardware event, or if you just want to relive it again, you can read the live blog to see the moments unfold as they happened, or check out this brief recap on the biggest announcements. iPhone 11 improves on the XR in every way, costs $699. The iPhone 11 is the successor to the iPhone XR, and it features a 6.1-inch LCD display and Apple's new A13 Bionic processor and GPU. It will debut at $699, which is $50 less than the iPhone XR debuted at last year. The iPhone 11 has a dual camera system, and one of the highlights of the iPhone 11, which is also coming to all of the new iPhones, is the slow-mo selfie videos. Apple is calling them slowfies, and they look amazing. iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max. Their Hereth new iPhone headliners are the iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max. Each has a 3-camera system, complete with a telephoto, ultra-wide, and regular lenses. Apple touted that each of the 3 cameras is capable of shooting in 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, and an on-stage demo showed that upcoming software can record different subjects through each lens. My colleague Chris Welch wrote more about what these cameras might be capable of. If you're interested in mobile photography, the iPhone 11 Pro has a 5.8-inch OLED, and the Pro Max has a 6.5-inch OLED. Both feature an impressive 1,200 nits of brightness. Like the iPhone 11, these phones have the new A13 Bionic processor and GPU. It will be available in 4 colors, and the iPhone 11 Pro starts at $999.